I'd like to show you on this particular one. I'm sure you can see this nice big wave that's in this fabric right here. A lot of that happens because of the treatment of the fabric, the prep of the fabric. So I just want to talk to you about that for 1 second. This is just a sample we're doing so I can show you how to line these up. But really, my fabric doesn't really look like this. And here's the difference. I Terial Magic my fabric first. The actual fabric without the shape flex. I Terial Magic my fabric first. I saturate it with that product. I let it almost dry completely. And then I iron it flat. And then I put the shape flex on the back of my fabric. Now, I just want you to see the difference between one that has not had Terial Magic. It's very soft. And so it allows the fabric to move. And a lot of this bounce here was actually put in when you put the shape flex on. Because if you iron on an ironing board, you put an actual curve into your fabric. And so you are actually misshaping your fabric if you're using an ironing board instead of using a flat surface to iron on, a flat hard surface. Now I'm going to show you another piece right here. Let me just put this on top of it. This piece has been Terial Magic. Look at the difference. This baby's flat as a pancake. And the rest is flat. And it's just a different piece of fabric. I still have shape flex on the back. The only difference on this is this was Terial Magic first. And look how it just lays beautiful. And I want to talk to you about one other thing. The pins that I've used. This pin that I've used is a Soline. It's Soline Duo eraser. This is the pin that marks. This is the eraser. That's what this line is. All of these are. And when I use this, after I do this one, I can iron over the whole thing and flatten it just back again. No problem at all. This has been ironed after I embroidered it. And I'm just going to erase this line right here. Hopefully, here's one in the house. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm just going to erase it right here. This whole line, going to come right down this whole line to right here. I'll even go through that. And you can, and I'll come up here too. And it's gone. And that's how cool the eraser works. And why I want to show you this is, I can iron over it. Ironing doesn't hurt these. The only way you're going to get it out though is to use the eraser part. Now, if I take back this one, well, let's just look at this one again for a second. I can't iron over this now because I have used a blue water-soluble pen. I can't iron over this to get it flat, which I will eventually get it flat. It will be fine. But I can't do it over a blue water-soluble pen because if I put an iron on it, it will set it in. So that's why I'm not ironing it. That's why this one looks a little on the side. But I just want it, but I will be able to starch this out and it will lay just flat. It will lay flat and it will be fine. But in case you're looking at it, go, what the heck are all these waves? It's because there's no Terial Magic in this product, in this fabric. And that's the difference it makes when you do something with Terial Magic and without. So that's why that's my new process, is to use everything with Terial Magic. Okay,
Okay,